Today we are going to see how to install Python in our PC. So I am having Windows 10 installed in my PC. So we will select to install a Windows version of Python, which can be installed on Windows 10, and it is a 64-bit operating system. So let's start the Google Chrome. Prefer to use and type python.org. python.org. Just wait. So now you can click on downloads, and within download click on Windows. Now you can scroll down, you can find different versions of Python here. So we are looking for Windows version of Python, and we want to install 64-bit version of the Python. So here you can download zip version. Next is the executable installer, that is to install exe file in your download exe file in your PC. This one is web-based installer, that is nothing will be downloaded. It will simply install your Python from web page. So let's try to download executable file and then start installing the uh, Python software, application development software. Okay. So as it is, we are having 64-bit of the operating system, we can go with 64-bit. If you want to have it installed on a 32-bit system, then you can go with x86 version of the Python. Okay, just click here. It will download the file, and just wait. So once it is downloaded, you can find it in your download folder. Let's go to the download folder. Here you can find your Python. Here it is downloaded. Just double click this executable file. It will start the installation process of Python in your PC. Okay, just check this box, that is add Python 3.8 to path. If you will forget to check this box, you may encounter some problem while working on Python. Okay, so let's click on customize installation, and there are 4 or 5 different check boxes. Just uncheck the documentation part because it will take lots of space. So you can skip documentation and just click on back, and then click on install now. Now it will prompt you to take permission. Just click yes, and the installation process started. You see the process is going on. It will take some time, and within few minutes it will be completed. So just wait till the process is completed. Now we are almost close to finish the process. Here you can see the installation process is completed. Setup process was successful. Just close it, and we are done with the installation of Python.